birthday, Lohana. I couldn't do anything today. Just I can only give you this note. Would you accept? Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Lohana. और आज भी मैं ये ब्लॉग शूट करूँगी क्योंकि मेरा पैर जो हुआ है प्लास्टर हुआ है और मैं बहुत टाइम से बनाने का ये चीज़ सोच रही थी. लोहाना एक्सेप्टेड माई लेटर. मैं बहुत टाइम से ये चीज़ बनाने का सोच रही थी कि मैं ब्लॉग शूट करूँगी, अब शूट करूँगी. बट आई हैव बीन सो जगल्ड अप थिंकिंग दैट वे कि करूँगी जब ठीक हो जाएगा करूँगी, बट वो ठीक होने का नाम ही नहीं ले रहा है. अभी 1 महीने का प्लास्टर का बोला है डॉक्टर ने. आई वेंट टू ऑर्थो, जो कि मेरी सबसे बड़ी गलती रही. मैं अभी ऑर्थो गई हूँ इतना लेट 15 डेज़ पहले, क्योंकि मुझे लगा आयुर्वेद से ठीक हो जाएगा, कुछ से ठीक हो जाएगा, बट इट वॉज सच अ डिजास्टर फॉर मी. हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू लाइफ ऑफ प्रेशियस. आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग वेल, बट आई एम नॉट वेल. सो फाइनली आज मैंने सोचा कि मैं बात करूँ बिकॉज आई डोंट नो वाई आई जस्ट डोंट हैव दैट हैबिट ऑफ talking about me not doing well, me not doing okay on social media. From forever I have been like that, just to show the good side and just to show that I'm doing good, everything is fine. बिकॉज आई बिलीव सोशल मीडिया मैं पर्सनली ऐसे लेती हूँ जहाँ पे मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हमको लोगों को मोटिवेट करना चाहिए, क्योंकि सब लोगों की लाइफ में कुछ ना कुछ ऑलरेडी बहुत सारी चीज़ें चल रही होती है. इफ़ आई एम गोइंग थ्रू समथिंग, सम और द अदर पर्सन इज गोइंग मे बी वर्स देन दैट. सो आई ट्राई not to show the unwell side of me. So this is why from days I have been wondering that today I will make vlog, today I'll get better, आज मैं ठीक होगी, आज मैं vlog बनाऊंगी. But I couldn't. I have not been so sincere about my health. I take it very lightly when it comes to me, when it comes to taking care of my own self. I take it very granted. तो मेरी थोड़े दिनों पहले फुट इंजरी हुई थी जो कि मैंने शेयर करा था. that I'm gonna be fine, I am healing. But मैंने उसको इतना lightly लिया that I did not go to ortho. Instead of ortho, I was just taking Ayurveda medicines and stuff, and I thought that I'm gonna be fine. Then my sister, Angel, who has been like an angel, so she has been insisting me to go to ortho. She's like, let's go. I don't know anything. If you're not gonna heal in 4-5 days, I'm gonna take you to ortho. And then she took me to ortho after a month of मेरा अपने मर्जी का मन चलाने के बाद. She took me to ortho after a month, and then just 15 days back I got my plaster done. I'm plastered now. I got my main ligament tissue ruptured, which got little worse, and I was just wondering every time that now I'm gonna be okay. सॉरी. बट हम छोटी छोटी चीज़ें इतनी बड़ी बना देते हैं जो इतनी बड़ी नहीं होती है, और जो हमको नहीं पता होता है कि इतनी बड़ी बन जाएंगी. हम छोटी छोटी चीज़ें बहुत बड़ी बना देते हैं जस्ट हमारी हेल्थ को इतना ग्रांटेड लेके कभी कभी कि हमको समझ में नहीं आता है कि हम कितना वर्स कर रहे हैं खुद के लिए. वो इस चीज़ से मैंने लर्न करा कि मुझे मैं अपने आसपास लोगों की हेल्थ का आई एम लाइक नो दिस इज़ हैपनिंग टू यू, let's go to doctor. I'm always insisting people around me, but when it came to me I took it very very lightly. I hope that I recover soon. Doctor has asked me to put this plaster on for a month. So I'm gonna keep it for a month, and after this I'm gonna go for पता नहीं क्यों मुझको रोना आ रहा है बात करते करते, इसलिए मैं ब्लॉग भी नहीं शूट कर रही थी. which is so funny. I'm so sorry for this. So after a month now it's more 15 days to go to get my plaster cut off, and after that I am gonna go for physiotherapy, and then 15 days more, like 2 months more exactly. मतलब मेरा प्लास्टर खुलेगा 15 दिन बाद. That means like maybe on 5th of August, and then I will go for physio. So it will take whole entire August for me to get better. I want to recover as soon as possible. I've been so juggled up. with just thinking that now I will be okay, now I will be okay. Simultaneously, I had to do my agreement also. Where I live alone, so I had to do my agreement also. But then some people are not so good with understanding anybody's health issues. Well, that's not their fault, but my landlord was not getting it that I am sick and I am not able to even walk. So I had to shift my place temporary with my mom dad, since I'm not doing well also. और मैं अभी soon शिफ्टिंग करूँगी मेरी, जब भी मैं ओके होती हूँ. आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल that I'm surrounded with my family, and I'm so grateful that everybody is just there on their one toe for me. I'm blessed to have such parents who are just there every time taking care of me. I hope that I get better soon. I hope that I get fine soon. I hope that I recover, because it is so annoying to just keep on sitting on the bed every time and just not moving anywhere, because I have a habit of just keeping on running, keeping on doing some or the other thing. I can't sit at one place. I'm very impatient when it comes to sitting and just resting all the time. So when this happened with me, I was like, what the fuck? I will not be able to even walk, which got me feeling worse. I'm so sorry. I am just not able to keep my emotions. So this is why I was not recording, because I knew that I won't be able to take it when it comes to talking it out. Because this 1.5 month of bed rest have been like a roller coaster, and I have never ever seen this kind of time in my life where I'm actually getting to see a lot of things, and somehow I feel blessed also, because God does things for your good at the end of the day. Maybe I may not realize now, maybe later this has happened for something good. I take it that way and then keep on going. Just wish me speedy recovery, and I will try to again say that I will try to stay connected as much as I can. Shooting this vlog today, why? Because it was Lohana's birthday also, and she turned 3 today. So Lohana is sleeping right now, but I'm gonna still take her up. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! I love you. She turns 3. 3-year-old today. Lohana is 3 now. Okay, sleep now. You look so cute and so adorable. Wow, wow. Wow. So it was her birthday. She was like seeing her, and I was like, fuck, I so wanted to shoot a vlog of my mom's birthday, vlog of Eid, which I did that also, but I couldn't do it, complete it. But then I couldn't resist missing Lohana's birthday. I was like, no, I don't want to miss this again, because I've missed everything from 1.5 months now, and I was just regretting for everything. But okay, again, I'm gonna say that everything happens for good. I thought of shooting this today, and I was missing you guys also, and you guys are also missing me. You guys just are. I was overwhelmed with the response from you guys. You guys have been just keeping on asking me on Instagram, on Facebook, on everywhere where you guys are connected with me. Am I okay? Am I not okay? Why am I not shooting vlogs? Why am I not active from days now? Thank you for staying connected, and thank you for making me feel so loved. Stay as connected as you can, as connected as I can. I will be. Just take care of yourself, love yourself, spread love, and just take care of your health, because health is first. After that well comes. So before health, there is nothing in the world. Just love yourself. There's nothing better than loving yourself. Take care of yourself, and I'm gonna shoot my another vlog very soon. I will try to stay connected on daily basis, and try to share my life on daily basis. Till then, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon. Love you. Bye. see you, and comment below too.